Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a contractor estimates that he need 96 men to complete some work in 24 days. Okay, so by relating the number of men to be M, number of days to be D, we need to form an equation. It is important to recognize that if I have more men, I will need less time to complete that same amount of work. Make sense? And therefore, this is when I increase the number of men, I decrease the number of time, the amount of time. This translates to an inverse proportion question. And therefore, I will then be able to make use of the general formula for inverse proportion, x times y equals to k for this question. So then I will have m times d equals to k. But that's not the complete answer because we are given the values of 96 men, 24 days. That will allow us to find the value of k easily. Yeah? So therefore, I will then be able to get the value of k now, which will be 2304 is equals to k. So therefore, the equation relating m and d would be m times d is equals to 2304. And with that, let's look at part B. Now that we assume that all the men work at the same rate, we are given the number of days, 18 days. How many more men does he need to hire? Oh, I should use green color, sorry. So I'm going to just substitute for part B. I'm going to substitute 18 in to find the number of men. So will be equals to 2004. Therefore, I will be able to find the number of men required, which will be simply 2304. I'm going to divide by 18 on both sides. So give me 128 men. So they want how many more? Previously is 96. So therefore, the answer will be number of more men is equals to 128 minus 96. He needs 32 more. We've come to the end of this example. So please, let's move on to the last example for this video.